Hey guys, this is Tate with Key to Life, checking out Molasses Magic. This is a powdered molasses product that is great for soil amending, reservoir applications, foliar feeding, as well as compost teas. Liquid molasses oftentimes contains ammonium sulfate, calcium diphosphate, formaldehyde, and several other extract agents and preservatives that work their way into plant tissue and really don't like to come out. This can result in an affected quality of your crop post-harvest. Molasses is obviously best at feeding our microbial network. This product actually has no other nutrients in it. There's very little calcium, there's very little magnesium, unlike a lot of other liquid molasses. So this is going to be best at growing microbial populations. Another big benefit of it is able to be soil amended. So for a lot of you organic growers out there in beds or containers doing soil amending or top dressing, spikes, layers, zones, you're going to be able to incorporate a powdered molasses product into those processes, which is going to be able to minimize the usage in your reservoir. So a lot of our guys are going toward no-till or top dressing and wanting things to become available inside of their soil instead of putting it into a reservoir. This is suitable for both. And actually all of the Key to Life products are suitable for both soil amending and reservoir applications. Pro tip, pro tip, pro tip. My pro tip is to use a protein shaker with this product so you don't have to worry about it getting stuck at surface tension. So if you guys want a fully soluble molasses powder, check out Molasses Magic. Please check out BWGS.com and visit your nearest hydroponics retail center for Key to Life products.